This is an example of a live iPad caricature that I've done of Joey. It's now at its end, so let's have a look at that.
Fantastic. Do I really have that much facial hair? I guess I do. I just felt my own face. There you go. That's amazing. Thank you. That's really cool. I mean, I love the kind of elements of extra detail that you can put in that as well. It must be fun to be able to add those bits in. So
the colour definitely adds an extra dimension.
Yeah.
And it's definitely something that the guests will appreciate, you know. So
awesome. Well, Rich, I mean, can I keep that one as well? Can I have two characters?
What I'll do is I'll mail this one to you.
Fantastic, and that'll be my Facebook profile picture tomorrow. And just you wait and see, Rich. That's what's going to happen.
I've also recorded the entire caricature in a time lapse as well,
so we can watch it back being actually drawn.
One of the actual benefits you can actually see is there is actually now a 2-minute video of it actually happening. So.
Oh my god.
And what I can do as well for
that's like being born again. That's me taking shape on the screen.
Well, part of the beauty of the wedding clients is that they can have their own Facebook album. It's a bit like a photograph album. And after the wedding, instead of everybody taking the caricatures home and thinking, well, where's yours? Oh, well, I lost it. You can actually upload a Facebook album and see all the videos happening. And then all the guests can talk after the wedding as well.
That's really cool.
And it's connected with Warble as well. So also it means that people get to find out more about Warble as well.
Fantastic. I didn't know that was a part of it, but that's made me really happy to see it go from start to finish. Like,
so I'll mail you the video and the image afterwards.
That's amazing.